Good morning class. So today I have taken test on chapter number 4, that is factors and multiples. I hope you have done all well in your test. So let us discuss the answer of the questions one by one. So this was your question paper of today's class. There were total 4 questions and all were compulsory. 2 were of objective types. You have to select one of them. And 4 questions of filling the blanks. You have to write their answers. And third is to show that 15 is factor of 120 and 12 is not a factor of 245. And in the 4 question using division method, find the HCF of 144 and 292. So let us discuss the first question and circle the correct answer from the given options. In first, what you have to do, the LCM of 8 and 12. So it is very easy. Just to calculate the LCM of 8 and 12, what we do? We will make the column 8 and 12, and after solving we will find that the LCM will be 24. Similarly, in HCF you can use either division method or common factor method. So after solving this, the answer will be 5. Okay. Next question. Question number 2. It was filling the blanks. First was dash is the only even prime number. In the first class I told you that 2 is the only even prime number and dash is the smallest composite number, so 4 is the smallest composite number. The smallest factor of every number is 1, we all know that. And fourth one, 29 and 31 are twin primes because the difference between them is 2. Now moving on towards third question, what you have to do? Show that 15 is a factor of 120. See students, to show any number is a factor of another number, what we have to do? We all know that a factor of any number is nothing but a number which can divide that number completely or eventually. So if 15 divides 120, if 15 divides 120 completely, then it is the factor of 120. So to solve this question, we have to write in this manner. We know that a number which is factor of another number can divide it completely. Completely मतलब उसका remainder 0 आना चाहिए. So by dividing 120 by 15, if remainder हमारा 0 आएगा, then 15 is a factor of 120. So let's divide 120 by 15. So 15 8 जा 120, completely divide हो रहा है, remainder हमको 0 मिल रहा है, so 15 is the factor of 120. Similarly, next हमको क्या देखना था? 12 is not a factor of 245. जैसे अगर remainder 0 आ गया तो वो factor है और remainder 0 नहीं आया मतलब वो completely divide नहीं करेगा, तो क्या हो जाएगा? वो number फैक्टर नहीं होगा. इसी तरह हम 12 को भी डिवाइड करके 245 को भी डिवाइड करेंगे 12 से. सो जब हम 245 को 12 से डिवाइड करेंगे, 12 2 ज़ा 24, 5 हमारा रिमाइंडर बच रहा है. यहाँ 0 आया है, रिमाइंडर नहीं आया है. अगर 0 आता मतलब वो कम्प्लीटली डिवाइड करता और वो फैक्टर होता. लेकिन नाउ वी हैव नॉट गॉट एनी रिमाइंडर 0, द रिमाइंडर इज 5. सो द आंसर इज 12 इज नॉट अ फैक्टर ऑफ 245. Last question, using division method, find the HCF of 144 and 292. So we know the division method. 144 is less than 292. So we will write 292 here and 144 here. So 144 2 za, if we will multiply 144 by 2, what will get? 288, which is smaller than 292. So in 2 times we will write 288. So the remainder will be 4. Now the remainder will act as a divisor and 144 as a dividend. So let's divide 144 by 4. So 4 3s are 12, we all know that. So 2 is the remainder and then 4 भी नीचे आएगा, 24 जाता है 4 के टेबल में 8 टाइम्स में. So the remainder is 0. हमारा लास्ट डिवाइजर यहाँ पे क्या है? 4. So 4 is the HCF of 144 and 292. So the answer is HCF of 144 and 292 is 4. This is all about today's test. Hope you have all done all the questions correctly. Match them and tell me your score in the class.